Hello, good evening, everybody. This is Dr. Kausia Banu. I'm working in Mufahamsa College of Engineering and Technology, MJSET, Banjara Road number 3. I'm a teaching faculty. Now I'm teaching data communication, the unit 5. I'm teaching for the IT branch. I'll be coming in the data communication from the last unit to the first unit. So the last unit is nothing but cellular wireless networks, wireless LAN, and Bluetooth and Zigbee. Now let's start. Okay, the uh, contents of the unit 5 is cellular wireless networks, wireless LAN, and Bluetooth. The topic which I'm going to tell is principles of cellular network, first generation analog, second generation CDMA, and third generation systems. Wireless LANs, in the topic wireless LANs, the topic to be covered is overview, wireless LAN technology, IEEE 802.11 architecture and services, IEEE 802.11 medium access control, IEEE 802.11 physical layer. The third topic of the Unit 5 is Bluetooth and Zigbee, which tells only the architecture layers and protocols. Let's go in detail. So, what is a cellular wireless network? A cellular network, also known as a mobile network or wireless network, is a telecommunication network that enables mobile communication between devices over a large geographical area. The system composed of networks and interconnection of base stations called the cell towers that provide coverage of mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, and other wireless devices. Cellular networks are designed to support voice and data communications. They employ a technique called cellular technology, where the geographical coverage area is divided into multiple smaller regions called cells. Each cell is served as a base station and adjacent cell different frequencies to avoid interferences. Cellular wireless networks connect mobile devices to the internet using wireless signals evolving through generations like 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, and so on. They offer improved speed, capacity, and features with 5G technology essentials for modern communications and diverse applications. Next, moving to the next slide. Mobile devices connected to cellular networks through radio waves use various wireless technologies called such as GSM Global System for Mobile Communication, CDMA Code Division Multiple Access, LTE Long Term Evolution, for 5G is nothing but fifth generation. These technologies define the protocols and standards for transmitting voice, data, and other information between mobile devices and the network infrastructure. The cellular network infrastructure includes not only the base station but also the core network, which handles tasks such as call routing, data transfer, and authentication, and security. The core network connects the base stations to the other networks, such as public switched telephone networks or the internet, enabling communication between mobile devices and the user in different locations. Cellular network provides several advantages, including wide coverage, mobility, and scalability. They allow users to stay connected while moving within the network coverage area, making them suitable for applications requiring seamless communication such as voice, messaging, internet, various mobile devices, and services. Overall, cellular networks plays a crucial role in facilitating wireless communication, enabling the widespread use of mobile devices in today's interconnected world. So the figure of cellular network is as shown here. Here what we have seen is, here is a user, and here this is nothing but each cell is nothing but a tower. So these are having three cells here in this figure. This means three towers. And here the access network is there through the radio network. And the user is using the cell phones. And here the switch network is there. It can be circuit switching or packet switching, as we have seen in the previous previous chapters, switching about circuit switching and packet switching, that is called the core network, and the services, which is nothing but fiber optic cables to the mobiles and intelligent networks. Intelligent networks, advanced services are there. So coming to the more detailed sliders here you see these are nothing but cell phone, which is reaching the tower, from this reaching the satellite, again producing the signals to the cell phones and other towers. So the principles of cellular networks is nothing but to build up the fundamental concepts and technologies, including the hierarchy cells architecture, frequency reduce, seamless network coverage, efficient communication. In this hierarchy, here they have again the sub principles like handoff and roaming, standard protocols, security measures, and frequency uses multiple access techniques, network switching, encryption algorithms. The principles here is seamless network coverage is interoperable, and efficient communications has the sub principles like compatibility between network equipments and mobile devices. Network switching techniques efficiently route voice and data traffic, while security measures protect used data and prevent unauthorized access. So the principles again, whatever is being taught here is being written in words. Here, the basic principles, the complex systems enable mobile communication providing wireless connectivity between mobile devices and core network infrastructure. The network can build upon several key principles. The main key principles of cellular networks are frequency use, cell splitting and sectorization, handoff and roaming, multiple access techniques, base station infrastructure, backhaul connectivity, quality of service and security. Here, reuse means cells of different frequencies are used so that they can avoid the interferences. Next, cell splitting and sectorization. Cells are divided and split into to increase the capacity and the coverage area. Handoff and roaming, that means seamless transfer of calls and data as users move between cells and networks. Multiple access techniques is methods for multiple users to share radio frequencies simultaneously. Base station infrastructure is towers that provides coverage and connect to the core network. Backhaul connectivity is high capacity links that connect base stations to the core network. Quality of service means prioritization different types of traffic for better performances, and the security is nothing but to have protection of using data, authentication, and prevention of unauthorized access. So the frequency reuse again can be discussed detailedly is cellular network divides geographic areas into smaller regions called cells. Each cell contains a specific radio frequencies to avoid interferences from the neighboring cells. The concept of frequency reuse allows some frequencies to be used for different cells located for sufficient distance from each other, maximizing the utilization of available spectrum resources. Cell splitting and sectorization as the number of mobile subscribers increases and the demand for data services grows, cells can be split into smaller cells and divided into sectors to increase the network capacity. This technique allows the more efficient use of radio resources and better coverage within the given area. Handoff and roaming refers to the process of transferring the ongoing calls and data sections from one cell to another as the mobile devices moves. This ensures seamless connectivity as user transition between cells. Roaming enables users to access services outside their home network by establishing connections with visited networks, allowing for uninterrupted service